Okay. In the last lecture, we studied about Sn formula. That is sum of n terms. I am writing here both the formulas. Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, and Sn is equal to n upon 2a plus n minus 1 into d, or another formula of Sn is equal to n upon 2 t1 plus t1. Now depending on this Sn formula, we are going to find out sum of n numbers. For that, see one example which is given on your page number 69. Let's find the sum of first 100 terms of AP. Now see, one AP is given 14, 16, 18, like that. And what you have to find out is sum of first 100 numbers. Okay. Now in that, see, always whenever you will sum either by term, means Tn or Sn, you have to write down what is given. So, or then only it is possible to solve. Now here A is your 14. D you can find out 16 minus 14, that is 2. And how many terms are there? 100 terms, right? Because we have to find out sum of 100 terms. Now always remember, you have to write a formula. Sn is equal to, now here I will use this formula, n upon 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now n is what? 100. 100 upon 2 into a is what? 14 plus 100 minus 1 into d is what? 2. Okay. So this is what I will get here as 50. This is 28 plus then 99 into 2. Correct? Now 50 into 28 plus, if you multiply 99 into 2, what you will get? 198. So 50 into, what answer you will get here as? 226. If you multiply this, your answer will be 11,300. So sum of 100, S100 is equal to first 100 terms of a given AP is 11,300. Understood this? How to use the formula? Okay. Now we will see the solved examples which are given on page number 70 and 71. Now we will see solved example. Page 70 and 71. Okay. Now see the first one. Find the sum of first n natural numbers. Now see here, as I told you in this chapter, we will only consider the, whenever the numbers we will see n, always the natural number, right? So first n natural numbers. So what I will write, what is my AP will be 1, 2, 3, 4, and my last number will be n, because n terms are there and I want to find out the sum of n terms, right? So A is 1, D is also 1, and our nth term is also n. Correct? Now I will use here the formula Sn, or Sn, another formula I will use. Because why I can use this formula? Because the last term is mentioned. You can use this formula also. Any of the formula you can use, right? Now see, I will use second formula. Sn is equal to n upon 2 t1 plus tn. Okay. Now n is same, n upon 2 it remains as it is. Your t1 is 1 plus tn is what? Tn is your n. Right? So what answer you got? This I can write as n plus 1. So I got the answer n into n plus 1 upon 2. This is what the sum of first n natural numbers. This is what the first solved example. Now we will go for the second solved example. Find the sum of an even natural number. Now see, even numbers, you know, even numbers means which are divisible by 2, right? Or at the unit place, when 0, 2, 4, 5, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Like that, if it numbers are there, then we can say that they are the even numbers, right? So 2, 4, 6, 8, correct? And how many numbers we are there? N numbers. So what will be the last number? 2n. Okay. Now here the first term T1 is my 2. And what is the last term? The last term Tn is equal to 2n. Right? Now here three methods are there to solve this sum. We will see the method 1. This is the first method. Now in the first method I want to find out Sn, right? Sn is equal to n upon 2 T1 plus Tn, correct? N upon 2. N is n upon 2 as it is, right? That I will write here. What is my T1? T1 is 2. Tn is 2n. Correct? Now here, what I will get here as n upon 2. So what I will do here, I will take 2 common. 2 common, if I will take, what I will get here? 1 upon 1 plus n I will get in the bracket. 2 will get cancelled. So what is the answer? N into 1 plus n. Now we will see for method 2. Second method we will see. Second method is, now 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 2n. Now here also this is what we need to find out Sn, correct? Then what I will do here, I will take out 2 common. If I take 2 common, what I will get? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus like that, and at the end I will get n, correct? Now this 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus n, what is the answer here? See here, 2 into, these are the n terms, so n into n plus 1, correct? This is divided by 2, right? The formula, yes? So what I will get here, 2 will get cancelled, n into n plus 1. It is one and the same answer. Now the third method, where I am going to use Sn formula. Sn is equal to n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So n is what? N upon 2. I as n terms are there, right? N upon 2. 2 into 2 plus n minus 1. Now d, how much it will be? 2, because 4 minus 2 is 2. D also you got as 2. So here n upon 2 into 4 plus, what you will get here? 2n minus 2. Now n upon 2. Now here again 2n plus 2 you will get. Now again you take out 2 common. What you will get here? N plus 1. 2 will get cancelled. So Sn is equal to n into n plus 1. So if you see any other method is, whichever method is used, your answer is same. Okay. Now we will see the third sum. Find the sum of first n odd natural number. This we have seen n even natural numbers. Now here we will see, this is the answer. See what is the answer for even natural number? Sn. What is the sum of all even natural number? N into n plus 1 is the answer. Now we will see for odd natural numbers. N odd natural number. Okay. So now see, odd natural numbers means 1, 3, 5, 7 like that. So these numbers are there. Now in the even natural number, what was the last term? Last term was 2n. Whereas when this is for the even natural number, what will be the last term of odd natural number? It is 2n minus 1. So 1, 3, 5, 7, and the last will be 2n minus 1. Now this also you can solve by 3 methods. The method 1 we will see here. Method 1. method 1 is by using Sn is equal to n upon 2 T1 plus Tn formula, right? So here n upon 2, your T1 is A, because A or T1 is 1, then Tn is your 2n minus 1, correct? And your D is again 2, because if you minus it, what you will get? 2. Now here 1 plus, what is Tn? 2n minus 1. Okay, so 1 will get cancelled. So n upon 2 into 2n. So again this 2 will get cancelled. So what answer you will get as? Sn you will get as n square. Now we will see the method 2. What is the method 2? Sn is equal to n upon 2. We will use here the formula 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now here n terms are there, so n upon 2, 2 into a is your 1 plus n minus 1, d is your 2, right? So n upon 2, 2 plus, now see, 2n minus 2, 2 will get cancelled, so n upon 2 into 2n will remain. So again 2 will get cancelled, as n is equal to n square. Now we will see method 3. Third method will be 1 plus 3 plus dash 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 plus 2n minus 1. Right? Now in this, what you will do? If I want to write it down, how I will write? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2n minus, what I will write here as? 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus, here I will get as 2n, again 2n I will get, correct? So this is what I got as 2n into n plus 1 upon 2 minus 2n into n plus 1 upon 2. Now here 2n square plus n minus n square plus n. Okay, and 2n square plus n minus n square plus n. 2 will get. So what answer I will get as? N square. So by any of the method, if you check it out, your answer remains the same. Now we will see the fourth example. So this we have seen. What is the answer for sum of first n odd natural number is n square, whereas even natural number is n into n plus 1. Now we will see the fourth solved example. See in the fourth solved example, what we have to find out? Find the sum of all odd natural numbers from 1 to 150. We have to find out sum of all odd natural numbers from 1 to 150. Now see, whenever the range is given, you have to write down first an arithmetic progression like 1, 5, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and now see 1 to 150. So what is the last odd natural number is 149. Okay. Now here this is an AP. So you got A as 1, B you know 2, or otherwise you can find it out, B as 2. And what is there? What is given here is find the value of n. That means now see, as I told you when I taught you the Tn formula. See what is given in the question, that is very important. Okay. Now see here. Here what is given? Now this 149 is your Tn. But you don't know how many terms are there. Right? So, and what you have to find out, see the two questions are merged over here in the single question. What question is asked? Find the sum of all odd natural numbers from 1 to 150. So in this, you don't know how many terms are there. So first you have to find out how many terms which are odd natural numbers are there. Odd numbers are there between 1 to 150. So for that you will use first the Tn formula. By using Tn formula you have to find out value of n. Once you know the value of n, you can find out sum of n odd numbers from 1 to 150. That's why I told you, you should know what is given in the question. Now see here, we have written. Now as it is given 1 to 150, so I have written this AP, and 149 is the last number which is odd natural number, right? So A is 1, B is 2, Tn is 149. You don't know n. So first we will find out n. So Tn, now here for finding out n, we have to use the formula Tn. A plus n minus 1 into D. So I will substitute here Tn as mine 149, A is 1 plus n you don't know, you have to find out, and D is 2. Correct? 1 plus 2n minus 2. So 2n. Now 1 minus 2. So what I will get here as minus 1. Now see, 149. 1 I have shifted over here. That is 2n. So 150 is equal to 2n. Therefore, n is equal to 75. Now I know the value of n. So I can find out sum of n numbers. That means how many terms are there between 1 to 150? How many odd numbers are there? 75 numbers are there, right? So I got as A is equal to 1, D is mine 2, and n is 75. And what I want to find out is S75, correct? So there are two methods for that. Now see in your page number 20, on page number 71, this question can be asked as the activity based question, right? Because the blanks are given, boxes given. So there you have to write. Now we will see the first method. In the first method, Sn is equal to n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into D is given. Then Sn is equal to, in the box it is mentioned. Okay, box what you will write over here as, box Sn is equal to n upon 2. N is your 75 upon 2 into 2 into 1 plus 75 minus 1 into 2. Correct? So 75 upon 2 I will write as it is here, 2 plus 74 into 2. 2 plus 75 upon 2 into 2 plus 148, 150 I got. 75 into 75. Now see, here I want to tell you how to do. Now see, 75 into 75. Again it is difficult to multiply. So I just want to tell you one trick over here, how to find out the square. Now see, this is 75 into 75 means 75 square, right? So how to do the square? So instead of multiplying, it is a time consuming. So when in the unit place, when the 5 is there, how will do the square of that number? First what you have to do, what is there in the unit place? 5. So first you have to write down the square of 5 as it is, that is 25. After 7, which number comes? 8. So you have to multiply 7 into 8. 7 8s are 56. So what is your answer is 5625. Okay, so this one more trick I have taught over here is, when in the unit place 5 is there, how to square a number. Why I am squaring? Because 75 into 75 I got. So 5 square is 25. After 7, 8 comes. So 7 8s are 56. So 5625. So sum of 75 terms, that odd numbers, is 5625. Now we will go for, so here in the box, what you will write here? 75 into 75. Then what is the answer? 5625 is your answer. And Sn is equal to 75 into this, you will write it down. Okay. Now method 2. Method 2 is what? Your Sn formula, n upon 2 into T1 plus Tn, right? T1 plus Tn. Now here n is your 75 upon 2, right? Then 1 plus 149 because first term is your A and last term is your 149. So what you got over here as Sn is equal to 75. Now see, this you will get as 75.2 into 150, but in the box what you need to write is 75, correct, into 75. Why? Because divide by 2, 150 divided by 2. So your Sn is, your answer is 5625. So this is the way how you have to go for your sum of the terms whatever else. Now see, this sum is little different because the two formulas you are using simultaneously. You are using it in this sum. First to find out what is the value of n, and then you are finding out the sum. Now in the next lecture we are going to see the practice set 3.3.
Itu jam